Well, it's not wrong. Virtual reality is definitely a thing right now. What the fuck is this? What is... Oh, this is a two-player game even. I don't know. Well, anywho, this is Lawnmower Man for the Super Nintendo. We're gonna really cut the fucking yard today. GameCenter BS Kamekaze. Oh, the music's cool. Oh my... Well, I died immediately. Okay. Oh my god.
Alright, I'm back with more butter than hell. What the hell is this?
This is Lawnmower Man.
What in the world am I looking at?
I don't know. Apparently it's a horror movie about virtual reality, and when you die you turn into bubbles.
What game is this called?
Lawnmower Man. As you can see, it's a very good game. That's very fair and rewarding. Oh my god.
I mean, the movie wasn't very good either.
I never heard of the movie, so...
It's the one I'm thinking of. It wasn't very good.
I don't even know what the fuck is going on, personally. It just looks like a Contra knockoff, personally. Okay. Player 1 entering the industrial zone. Also, this is a two-player. Whoa! 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 This...
What?
Oh, great. I'm so glad this game has mode 7. Do you lose if that... Okay, so I need to win. This is so bad to control.
What in the world is this?
This is, I'm inside the industrial complex. Okay. So we got, some 3D. I did it? Okay. I appear to be, vaguely back where I started. Yeah, this is basically a Contra knockoff. I wonder why there's no speed runs of this fucking game. Maybe there is. I'm pretty sure there is. Oh, and just in case you were curious, why yes, there is a timer. Why? I don't know.
Really, I couldn't tell you.
I couldn't tell you anything's going on in this game, to be honest with you. Where'd he go? Okay, I've despawned them. Oh my god. This game's fucking crazy. There's nothing in the trash yet. Well, if anything, it's interesting. Where do I go? Do I go downstairs? Do I go up here? Oh, okay, there it is. Well, what else am I supposed to do? Whoa! What just happened now? No, I don't want to go back. Why did BizHawk move it around? What is going on? But it's the same VSI. Oh, can I go in here? Oh. I must...
We have to go back into the past.
I have to get back. Back to the past.
Lawnmower Man Jack. Lawnmower Jack. Sounds hype. Maybe that's his final weapon. The end of season 5, he'll just come up in the universe of the Lawnmower Man. Could you imagine?
You're in virtual reality. You have been this entire time. Oh, there's a bunch of access denied ports. Why am I flashing if I don't have invol frames? What was even the point of that?
What if you have to move that? Go rewind. Go back. Rewind.
No, I figured it out. Player 1 entering the virtual Atlantis.
What?
Oh boy, it's the same thing but different.
One more shit to touch.
What? There's no jump button. What am I supposed to do? Oh, you go underwater. Okay. Oh, wow, okay. You just hold up. You can fly.
Yeah, you're virtually flying.
Yeah, you know, it's like the reading rainbow. All I had to do was take a look in a book. What? Jeez. Was that a flamethrower? Why come I can't get these kind of weapons? Why come? Can I go down here? No? Oh, there we go. Whoa. This game isn't bad, it's just insane, mostly. It makes me feel like I'm playing Contra, but like a knockoff called like Cantra. Gun? Okay, I have more firepower. Okay, here we go. What am I supposed to... Alright, I can fly. Yeah. Kinda makes a lot of this pointless. Arguably.
But there's things you have to shoot with that gun. What is this?
I don't know.
What is it really is Contra. Don't fucking die, dude.
I'm trying not to.
Don't die. Don't die, dude. Don't die.
Stop!
Don't die.
Just...
Don't die.
I want out. This is starting to look more and more like a bad PC game that came with the computer.
Don't die, dude. What are you even fighting?
I have no idea.
They look like bad Space Invaders. You're about to die, dude.
I won't. Thanks for letting me know I was about to move again.
Wow. Where are you now?
I don't know.
This dog- What is happening?
No, come back!
This is so confusing.
Is this an
Something
enemy?
tells me watching the movie wouldn't teach me anything about this either. Like,
Okay. Just gonna ignore them. Just.
you died from that.
What is it? Okay.
Oh, ran out of fuel, yeah.
You know what? I'm getting out. Fuck this. Like, this movie's about virtual reality. What? I think it would fucking reverse.
Pierce Brosnan was in it. Yes, this is Lawnmower Man. I'm not sure if this game is bad or good.
It's something.
Pretty bad.
It's pretty annoying. It's got that going for it.
Everything hits you, the game. Well, it's not quite Tintin bad. But has anything really gotten to Tintin level? Oh my god. What are those?
I don't know, but I can collect
What did
them.
any of that do?
I don't
This
know.
is one of those things. Like,
This game just has a bunch of collectibles that make no sense.
game
Whoa!
design. Oh my god. Game design, like, it's important to have like the items you pick up. Oh my god. Look at that comment. Look at the chat.
Why?
Oh.
Maybe just okay. You know what? This is the safe zone. I'm in the safe zone.
Are you shooting nachos?
I guess. This is literally the safe zone. I'm a god. Oh, I could just hold it down. I've been mashing it this whole time. Well, I feel stupid.
So it's a good game in that way. That it at least has auto fire, so it's up above Silver Surfer at the very least. Which is a shoot 'em up without auto fire. Because that should be allowed to exist.
How did I lose my suit?
This is a boss.
I see that now.
What the fuck is happening? I understand nothing. Like, absolutely nothing. The only thing the Silver Surfer game follows in terms of shmup rules is have amazing music. It's
Oh,
kind of
this music's pretty good.
that's good, but this isn't really a shmup. This is a
Contra.
Contra-ish, yeah. Run and gun, I think they call them.
Yeah.
Colloquially, anyways. I'm not sure the technical aspects of it.
I don't really know what to call the official name. Like, there's no health bar, so you don't really know if the boss is gonna die.
Yeah, it's certainly not Time Top bad. We did play that, didn't we?
Yeah, we definitely played
And that
Time
game
Top.
was the
The game is,
Jean-Claude Van Damme. Dude. You never go wrong with Van Damme.
whatever. I don't care about losing.
So you did it.
fucking
You
armor.
did, yeah, you get
I
it
just-
back anyway.
Yeah, I just want to end the level. Enter the cyber run. Uh-oh.
Oh boy, time for a...
Whoa,
Oh my
okay.
god. This looks pretty cool. Whoa!
No! Whoa, where are these coming from? Stop!
I mean, visually it looks amazing, but...
I just want to run around at the speed of sound. I got places to go. Gotta find my own way.
Can't stick around, have to dodge spiky balls.
This game isn't really giving you that much time to think.
Oh, you can decelerate? That's good.
Oh no, I have picked up a turbo at the beginning. And that seems like that was a really bad idea.
Yeah, poor life decision there.
with the collisions in this game? Everything moves you slightly. Stop. I just want to inch over slightly. I just want to inch over slightly. Please stop. Oh my god.
Oh wait, there's
What?
no.
There's no way to decelerate.
You gotta shoot that orb, dude.
Oh. I just want to leave. Can I get out of this?
There's no escape, dude.
The ride never ends. Oh great. I didn't miss you, fucks.
Incredibly balanced gameplay.
Yeah, I mean, you know, I'm sure this game is completely beatable without rewind. Would not doubt it. Oh no.
What have you done?
No, I hit turbo again. I don't want turbo. I really don't want it. I need to be able to fucking navigate. Okay. Like, turbo is a fucking setup. You can't dodge these walls if you get it. You literally cannot do it. Just a bad idea all around. Okay. It's over.
But wait, there's more. Oh. Where are we now?
I don't know. No! I want the thing! Oh my god. Okay. No, come back! Oh god, it's another.
Oh my god. What is this?
What is this fucking a Gunstar Heroes knockoff now? It's got bosses every few minutes. There's a magnetic gun.
Okay.
Just gonna run from that.
Oh, we got more virtual reality, dude.
Oh boy. Can't fucking wait!
Cyber. Oh, we have a fog of war now.
Oh my god. This game is just like very unforgiving. You wanna have fucking kids react to something, have them react to games like this. See if they can fucking handle it and dare them to call anything else difficult made today. Okay. Can I actually destroy these boxes or am I just shooting at them?
So it seems like
Whoa!
from what I put together, those things you're going into, they don't actually like, they're like little warp points. Jump. Can you jump off these platforms? Don't go in there. You came from there. Go up and try and jump. So you can like land on that. Like, can you jump?
No.
Jump across.
I think I see what you have to do. You have to use a teleporter and then come back.
But why can you not just jump off the platform?
Well, interesting question.
Does it not let you?
No, it does not. When you're on a platform, you can't move because you're controlling the platform. Didn't that make sense?
Oh, good.
Okay, so now, oh, okay. I'm confused.
Do it again, dude.
I'm confused about my objective here.
Go back, go back. Dummy, go back. Rewind, rewind, rewind. All the way. Keep going.
Oh.
Because I can tell you right now where you have to go. Okay, now that you move that platform... Okay, move that platform to the right again. Now go in the portal again.
I don't wanna.
But you got to. You have to.
Ah! Oh, okay.
Oh, wait. Well, that's convenient.
So
Alright.
you have to beat both of them, basically. And then
Oh,
you
okay,
can-
you know, that's not as bad as we thought.
Whoa! What the fuck is that box art?
Oh my god. What in the world is that? Wait, this had Pierce
No,
Brosnan.
I don't want that. I like this gun. What happened to my circle gun? No.
There's a triangle power move right there.
I don't want it.
You don't want nachos?
No, I like donuts.
It looks like one of you have like anal beads right now.
Yeah, I like Mardi Gras attack instead of Arctic attack.
Damn, it shreds enemy, holy crap.
Yeah, it's fucking good. Just... I don't want it.
Make the jump.
I don't want to get that first.
Wow, frame perfect. Oh my god, what is this? What is this boss? This looks like a Wily boss from Mega Man.
It's
I'm
a
half
claw
expecting it to play.
that slowly gets lower.
Quick, destroy the cubes.
What?
Oh, that's amazing.
Okay, well now that I know what to do.
You have to destroy the cubes before it comes down to get you. And
Yeah.
it seems to only come down like when you're below it. Is there actually a speedrun of this game? 24, there is. There is a speedrun of Lawnmower, man. Was that ever done in the GDQ? Now I'm really curious. Because now I feel bad if I ever skipped it. You wouldn't let it happen again, dude.
I know what I have to do. I know what I have to do.
You have to destroy the arm. Oh, you can destroy the arm? I think you can destroy the claw, dude.
Okay, well, I'll try to do that, but it's slowly shooting. That's the first problem there.
Well, you're gonna have to just dodge the bullets, dude.
Can I stand on this? No. No, you cannot.
Worth noting, you're only losing your suit, so you have another hit, technically. Yeah, lower it so it's in shooting range, and then just...
Okay.
Or that works, I guess?
Yeah. Whatever.
We did it.
Whoa!
Oh,
Can I get a flamethrower? No.
no. You don't... You think you get to have fun? Get out my face, dude. Fun, he says. I want to have fun. What a stupid request.
No! Normally I get to fly those. So you just come down and shoot a missile. Okay, never mind.
Boss fight with the helicopter.
Of course. We just had a boss fight like 30 seconds ago, but why not have another one? Work for Gunstar Heroes. You know, that game was good and played well and didn't do this shit.
You're not dying, you're just losing a hit, dude.
I don't want to lose a hit. This armor's important, apparently. I feel like I'm gonna need it. Oh great. I sure didn't miss being here. I don't want that gun. Still don't want it. I don't want a homing bullet. No! I like the donut gun. Go away. Okay. The donut's pretty powerful.
Magnetic pulse.
Magnetic.
Sounds pretty something something.
They really want to give you homing bullets.
Well, stop breaking the boxes that always happen.
What the fuck is he doing?
What was that joke?
I don't know what he's doing.
I think you're going up and around, dude. Just go up and around.
Yeah,
Literally.
that. You can't.
Well, you have to take the long way. Maybe there's a VR portal.
Who fucking knows at this point?
Or maybe you just have to make a really hard jump.
I'm assuming that's what they want me to do. What the fuck did I just do? What does that button do? Trying to examine my options here. Oh wait, there's two jumps. If you hold it. Okay, yeah, I see what to do. See, this problem is this idiot fucking jumps off on his own when you reach a certain point of a platform. And it's like, could you not? Oh, you can charge. That's nice to know. Would have been great to know hours ago. Not hours. Minutes ago. Indefinite periods of time ago. Not that it matters that much, it looks like. What is with jumping in this game?
Go left.
Okay.
Up. Or down.
That's where I just came from.
Oh, wait. You came from that area?
Yeah. Just... Okay. What was the point of me doing that?
Wait. Go back on there on that. Go to the right. Go to the right. Now move that top platform to the left. You can see that platform up there next to the arrow area. Go back, move it left. Don't get hit.
You know, I'm really not surprised that happened.
Move it left. Now go back. I just noticed some of the platforms move in tandem.
Yeah.
Ah, there we
I
go.
thought about that, like, as soon as you said that.
Just look at that. What is that exactly? I'm not sure what that is.
This thing moving up and down?
Yeah, I don't know.
It's a rainbow piston.
Are you sick of this game yet?
I don't know if you could tell. Just where the fuck did they come from?
Oh,
They just spawn.
Cool, I guess.
It's the concrete jungle. I know that experience. You know, this seems like a good premise that should have stopped about halfway through. When they realized that maybe the technology was a little limited.
Or at least have had a better control scheme.
Yeah. Oh, okay. That's not okay. Stop! They made a sequel to this film. Why?
There's a Lawnmower Man too.
Why?
Why not?
I have several questions. So I can't even go back down. That's cool. If you don't stop fucking jumping early. Oh my god. Let me tell you. Who would have thought? You know what we need? Let's make him where he jumps off on his own so you can't make precision platforming. Isn't that great?
What if that means you're supposed to go find a thing?
Get off! Get off the platform! You fucking idiot! Oh my god. I hate this game. You know what? Let's go back. Let's go back. I see right now that you are put in an unwinnable situation if you do this stupid platform trick that I fell for. And then, you know, they got me. They got me with the okie doke. They showed me. You see, you can jump up there, but you cannot jump down. Now you may be asking yourself, why would they do that?
Then move this platform to the right, and I bet you.
So you can put yourself in an unwinnable scenario.
I'm moving this down will mystically make that other platform. Yep.
I hate this game. I really do. This game is fucking stupid.
Don't,
oh yes,
you
this
know
is another homing.
You know it was.
Oh no, it's another donut. Oh, so unlike Gunstar Heroes, you don't get a better one if you pick up two of them. What a shame. Who would have thought it would drop the ball on that specific thing?
Who would have thought it would drop the? I mean, given what you've been playing, are you really shocked?
No. But you said access granted. Make up your mind.
Where we going? The medieval castle. Dun, 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 dun.
You know what? I'm just over it. I don't care. I see no reason to care about hitting any of these things. I just don't. I'm over it. I'm not gonna get hit by whatever the fuck these are.
Are you done with this game now?
If I die, I'm done with this game. Yep, I'm done. Done.